Hey everyone, so if you didn't know, it was my birthday yesterday and I got this. I got two presents. I got that and then I got this. I'll probably do that tomorrow. But this is like, I don't even know what it is. It's like a speaker, oh my god, speaker thing, and it comes with a microphone. And I opened it, I took the thing out, and then I was like, how about I make a video? So yeah, we're gonna open it. Also, I also got this. I also got a phone for my birthday. This one I'm using to record on, so yeah. Okay, so this is the speaker, and in there is the microphone. So I'm just gonna try to get it. I'm wearing a purple dress, it's so cute, and a denim jacket. Oh my god! Wait, the microphone's actually small and light, but that's fine. I don't really care. Okay, let's open the microphone. Look how cute this is, though. Buttons and everything. Okay, now the speaker. I don't even know how this works. I'm just opening it. I can't get it out. I don't even know if you can see, but yeah. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, it's kind of tight this time. Okay, got it out. Whoa. Okay, look at this. It's so cute, and it's really heavy. When I got the present, it was really heavy. I was so confused because I'm pretty sure it needs batteries or something, or charging at least. Oh my god, the strap is like nice. Okay, I don't know how it turns on. I have guests here, by the way. They're the one who gave me the present, so I don't really want to use it. Hopefully it doesn't make too much noise. But hello? Hello? I'm using it, it's not working. Oh, it changes color. Okay, that's cool. What the hell does that mean? Hello? Hello? I'm talking to the microphone, by the way. Hold up, let me just try to figure this out. I figured it out literally in 2 seconds. Okay, I just held the button and this light turned blue. Hello? Hello? Oh my god, do you hear that? Oh my god, you can see my reflection. Okay. Hello? 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 That is so cool. I'm covering this because you can see the reflection with it. Hello. Wow. It's actually really loud. I'm not being that loud because guests over. They're all boys. That's why I'm sitting here alone. I don't know, but like on the box, it says microphone. It says call. I don't even know what these are, but it says you can call on it. I don't know how. I mean, like, what is EFF? Hello? You can lower the volume. Hello? 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 Mama. Okay, so this is really cool. Yeah, that's basically it. If I figure out like the other things to it, I will make another video. And I haven't made like a long video in like so long now. So yeah. So here it is. It's really cool, and the strap is really hard to pull. It's pretty heavy, but I'm pretty sure you can just like carry it around, like go to the park. It's like a microphone like that and just carry it around or something. Well, anyways, that's it. Actually, I might have time to open that present. Yeah, I'm gonna open that present, and yeah, I'm gonna just use it on one strand. So yeah, I almost broke it. I threw this over there, and the microphone just like hit it. Wait, let me just turn it off. Okay, let's go. So technically, this is what it is. It's this thing where that's a thing. It's like it's kind of weird, but you put it in your hair, and it technically like does stuff with your hair. Oh my god, don't it braids your hair? I don't trust that with my hair. My hair pretty tangly. Like my hair's pretty tangly. It's curly. So yeah, so found the tape. Where is it? Oh, there. Okay, so I got the tape off. It took kind of a while. Okay, so yeah, that's what's in it. Great. Oh my god. Ah! Okay, so this is all that comes. I'm not saying that's like, anyways, I'm not saying that it's like bad. Like, there's a lot of things. I'm just saying there's like nothing else in the box. But anyways, let's take this thing off, if I even can, with one hand. I accidentally ended the video, but yeah, anyway. This box is so annoying. It has those little, see that in there? That little thing? Yes, it has one of those, and I can't open it, so I'm gonna have to use scissors now. Ugh. Hey. Cut one. There's a bunch more, and like some beads fell from here there. So yeah, now we have to do the other ones. And sorry, I can't do on camera. It's way too hard. I never struggled that much opening a present, but it went everywhere. Okay, I'm just gonna resort these. So yeah. Okay, I think I got all of them out. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah. I also got one stuck in there, if you can't see it, and I can't get it out. So yeah, we'll get that out later. Anyway, so this is so they have like glittery thing. I don't know what they are, but this is the actual thing. Better not be, okay, it's just like this. So confused. Do you have to like, you need batteries. So annoying. Okay, well anyways, let's just see what else is in. Okay, so there's a hairbrush. I don't know if I want to try it on my hair, but I was showing that I was brushing my hair and it was paused and it did not work. But anyways, I got this thing to poke people. And then some glitters. I don't even know if these are glitters. What are these? Oh no, they're not glitters. They're like string things to put in here. Okay, anyways, well, I'm gonna go get the supplies to unscrew this, so I'll be right back. Can't find a screwdriver. Ugh. Okay, we don't have a screwdriver, but we have this. So my dad's gonna do it. I don't know where he went, but yeah. Okay, my dad ended up using something else, but we got the batteries in there. I promise they're in there. And then look what we can do. It's spinning. So yeah, now I have no idea how to use this. So I'm gonna look at the instructions real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so what I wanted to do was like what this girl was doing, but that's like way too complicated. I'll probably do it or something. I'll show you the result. But this is pretty easy, and I know I said I wasn't gonna do this, but I have to. So yeah, but first I'm gonna like make sure my hair isn't tangled. So yeah. Okay, I found a strand. It's not tangled. So this is the so this is the strand I'm gonna be using. Okay, I tied up the rest of my hair. So yeah, now I'm gonna use it. So yeah. Okay, so I got this thing. Hold up. Okay, I don't know where the name went. I have no. Oh, she's under this. Okay, there she is. Anyways, so you're supposed to get this, and when my dad was doing it, he took this out. I don't know how. Look. Oh, there. I'm pretty sure you're supposed to replace with this. And I didn't read this in the instructions. I'm just assuming. No. I'm supposed to like... I'm literally so confused right now. I'm doing this without any parents. I'm young. Oh, you were supposed to push. Okay. There we go. So I got my strand. Can't really see it that well, but let me see the thing. It says, so you're supposed to take these little metal things out. I don't know how. Mama? Hold up. Oh, like that. You're supposed to push it down like this. Okay. So So, supposed to take 2 strands, so I'm going to split this. It's not going to be perfect, but look at my hair differences. Okay, I think that's good enough. My first one goes like, I'm so confused. Hold on. Okay, I figured it out. You're supposed to put your hair in it. Open. Look. Look this up. Is this? Okay, how am I supposed to say it? Should I do it one at a time? That's, I think I should do it one at a time. So I'm going to do it one at a time. I'm only supposed to do it twice because they're both combined into a braid. So I can't do it one at a time. Okay, this? No, my hair's in it. Now I'll do the second one again. Finally did it, and that was so long. It was so confusing. Now time for the moment of truth. I don't even know how to try. Okay, so you're supposed to like press this button down. I'm scared. Wait. Okay, I switched the camera here and I'm scared. What is it doing? It's like twisting my hair. Ow, it hurts. Is that it? How do I take it out? It's stuck. You're supposed to do this to take it. It's literally like stuck. It's stuck in my hair. It didn't even work. So one of the parts went out, but like this one is stuck. Oh. Okay, got it out, and this is how it looks. This is how it looks. What was it even supposed to do? Look at the picture. It literally, this is like the only part that did this. Okay, they're probably about to sing happy birthday right now. But yeah, I'll probably try the other one thing tomorrow. But yeah, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. I sound really cringy right now, but bye. Yeah. Oh my god, my hair is ruined. Ugh.